Hi everyone, welcome back to Healing Vibes. If you're new here, my name is Umar, and I specialize in various energy healing techniques, including Reiki, emotion code, body code, and belief code. Today I'm excited to share with you step-by-step guide to aura cleansing with energy healing. Cleaning your aura using energy healing involves several steps that focus on balancing and clearing your energy fields. Here's a basic guide to help you. How to clean your aura using energy healing. Create a peaceful environment. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You might want to play some calming music or light some incense. Ground yourself. Sit or stand with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Visualize roots extending from your feet into the earth, grounding and stabilizing you. Set your intention. Clearly state your intention to cleanse your aura. For example, I intend to cleanse and purify my aura of all negative energy. Use your hands. Hold your hands a few inches away from your body. Slowly move them around your body, imagining you are sweeping away any negative energy. Pay special attention to areas that feel heavy or tense. Visualize white light. Imagine a bright white light above your head. Visualize this light flowing down through your body, filling you with positive energy and pushing out any negativity. See the light expanding beyond your body, enveloping you in a protective, cleansing bubble. Use crystals optional. Certain crystals like clear quartz, amethyst, or selenite are known for their cleansing properties. Hold a crystal in your hand or place it on your body while you meditate and visualize the energy cleansing process. Affirmations. Repeat positive affirmations such as, I am cleansed and free of negative energy, or my aura is clear and vibrant. Seal the aura. After cleansing, visualize a protective layer around your aura, sealing in the positive energy. This layer can be a shimmering shield of light that keeps your aura clean and protected. Regular maintenance. Make aura cleansing a regular practice, especially after stressful situations or encounters. Stay mindful of your energy and take steps to clear your aura whenever you feel it's necessary. Seek professional help. If you find it difficult to cleanse your aura on your own, consider seeking help from a professional energy healer. I will mention a link in description to book aura cleansing session with us. Regularly cleansing your aura can help you maintain a positive, balanced energy field, contributing to overall well-being and improved interactions with others.